Hello guys, in our previous video, we have calculated total surface area and volume of frustum without any direct formulas. In this video, we are going to discuss few formulas of frustum of cone. The first one is curved surface area of frustum is equal to pi L into R1 plus R2. Here, L value will be square root of h square plus R1 square minus R2 square. Here, R1 and R2 are two base radius of frustum. Total surface area of frustum is equal to curved surface area of frustum, that is pi L into R1 plus R2, plus there are two base radius that are pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. And coming to the volume of frustum, that is 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So guys, let's solve some example based on these formulas.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.